everyone, I am Dr. Uday Kumar Jadhav and today we are going to discuss regarding the diabetes and the feet. How can diabetes affect the feet? People with diabetes are prone to foot problems that develop due to prolonged periods of high blood sugar levels. Diabetic neuropathy and peripheral vascular disease are the two main foot problems that occur and both can have serious complications. Diabetes is a disease that causes faulty or insufficient insulin production or low sensitivity to insulin. Insulin is an essential hormone that is responsible for helping cells absorb sugar from blood or to use for energy. When this process does not work correctly, sugar remains circulating in the blood, causing health problems. Prolonged periods of high sugar levels in the blood can damage many areas of the body, including the feet. Diabetes is responsible for over 50% of all foot amputations in the world. In this video, we look at the foot problems or poorly managed diabetes and how to manage these effects. The foot problems in diabetes are very common and in India also they are rising day by day. The two main foot problems that occur in people with diabetes are: number one, diabetic neuropathy. Diabetic neuropathy can numb the feet, reducing awareness of wounds, infections, and tight shoes. Make it over time for people with diabetes to feel sensation in their extremities. The condition also makes it difficult for a person with diabetes to feel irritation, soreness, or infection on the feet. They may not notice when their shoes are rubbing. This lack of sensation can lead to an increased risk of cuts, sores, and blisters. If a person does not receive treatment for infection, ulcers, and even gangrene can develop. If a person develops gangrene, they can require an amputation. If a person develops gangrene, a doctor might suggest amputation. Peripheral vascular disease. Diabetes leads to changes in the blood vessels, including arteries. In peripheral vascular disease, fatty deposits block vessels beyond the brain and heart. It tends to affect the blood vessels leading to and from the extremities, such as hands, feet, reducing the blood flow to both. Reduced blood flow can lead to pain, infection, and wounds that heal slowly. If a person develops a severe infection, a doctor may recommend amputation. Now, what are the symptoms of foot disease? Foot symptoms of diabetes vary from person to person and may depend on the specific issues a person is experiencing at that time. However, symptoms might include: number one, a loss of feeling, numbness or tingling sensation, blisters or other wounds without pain, skin discoloration and temperature changes, red streaks, and wounds with or without drainage. painful tingling sensation, and staining on socks. If an infection develops, a person may also experience some of the following. Number one, fever. Fever can be a low grade or high grade. Chills, uncontrollable blood sugar, shaking, shock, and redness too. Any person with diabetes who experiences symptoms of an infection, especially on the feet, should seek emergency treatment. Now, what are the complications that can occur in a diabetic feet? If gangrene develops due to an unnoticed wound, a doctor may suggest amputation. Diabetic neuropathy and peripheral vascular disease are serious conditions that a doctor must monitor closely. Both causes complication that can have serious. Please watch the second part for the further completion of the video.